Hi ladies, and welcome to our second installment of Makeup 101. This video is going to be dealing with how to get curly long eyelashes. So basically, I've gotten a lot of questions about these, so I'm going to try to answer them. And then, of course, as always, leave any comments or PM me with any questions you have, because I want this to be a tool that will help you learn how to do your eyelashes the best possible. Okay, so first of all, your eyelashes are hair, as you know. You need to take good care of them. So using a good eye makeup remover that will gently remove whatever's on there. You need to be patient. Don't be pulling or rubbing hard. Just do it gently. When you apply your eye makeup remover, like on a cotton pad, just always do it gently. And try to push upward. Because what you're doing is you're going to retrain your lashes. And when you use eye cream at night, also apply some on your lashes. This is moisturizing and healthful to them and will help them be have much more elasticity, and it will give you much healthier, longer lashes. Okay, so you're going to need 3 tools. First of all, you're going to need a pair of eyelash curlers. These are just cheapy ones. These are let's see, these are CoverGirl, so you can get these anywhere. You're going to need a spoolie. Sometimes you can find an eyelash curler and a basic spoolie in a kit. What this is basically, if you don't know what this is, it's just a clean mascara wand. And then you're going to need a very basic waterproof mascara. I personally love Great Lash because I think it's a very good basic mascara. It doesn't clump, doesn't get yucky. I like the most basic wand. And you need waterproof because waterproof is oil-based, whereas the other ones are water-based. Think this happens to your hair when you curl it. You put water on your hair after you curled it, it just gets all gross and totally relaxes the curl. If you put a little bit of oil on it, it actually will just make the curl shinier. It will it won't take away the curl. So first thing you're going to need to know is how to curl them. And just so you know kind of where my eyelashes are very blonde. I don't know if you can see them very well at all. They're very blonde. They're kind of long, but they're super baby fine, and they naturally grow straight or down. The reason why my lashes go up now is because I have been using an eyelash curler for forever. And in fact, if your lashes are very stubborn, you can do this technique both at night. Don't put the mascara on though. Do the eyelash curler technique at night, and then do it again in the morning after you've washed your face. Because if they're a little bit damp, you have a little better chance of keeping the curl longer, and then apply the mascara. So, because these are just the cheap mascara ones, eyelash curlers, it may not cover the entire surface of your lashes. So you may need to move it and adjust it to make sure you get it all over. So let's try this. I had already kind of barely curled up this one. This one hasn't been done at all. But what we're going to do is I'm going to go in, pull your little skin up right here so you can see exactly how all your lashes as possible get in there. Get as close to the lash base as possible without pinching any skin. So clamp down slowly to make sure you're not pinching your skin. And I count 1, 2, 3. I'm pumping it. And then they're tilt it back and go 1, 2, 3. Yes, I know this looks very freakish. It doesn't hurt, I promise. You do it again. If it doesn't touch all the way around, you're going to need to go on the inside corner as well. Just be careful. 1, 2, 3. Tilt back. 1, 2, 3. And just be done. You're not pinching any skin. You can obviously see the curl is there. Now, if this doesn't work very well, or if you find it falling immediately after you do this, what you're going to do is when it's on, you're going to go up halfway. And you're squeezing in 1, 2, 3, and then go up to the very tippy top. 1, 2, 3. And what this will do, I don't know if you can even see, is make a very almost tight curl. So if your lashes are very droopy, this will help them stay up. Let me see if I can put a paper up here so you can kind of see it. It made it really curly. Versus this. Sorry, my lighting is horrible in here. Which is still, I mean, it's not bad because I curl them every day, but it's still not as curly as this one. And you can see how, just the difference that in itself makes. Versus this one that's sticking pretty, curled up barely, but this one's curled up a lot. Sorry. you can see that extreme curl going on there. This is especially good. It's good for anybody because it'll make your eyes look bigger and more awake. But this is incredibly good if you have hooded eyes at all, because this will pull everything upward. It almost looks like you have plastic surgery on your eyes. This will do such an amazing thing to your eyes. Now, why do I have the spoolie? Most eyelashes will clump together when you use your eyelash curler. So what you do is you're just straightening them out with the spoolie. I don't know if you can see that or not. Trying to get really close here so you can see it. Okay, and then we're going to apply the mascara. Make sure if you see any excess, just scrape off on the sides. It's a pretty new thing of mascara. And this is a cheap mascara too. I think I got this from around about $5. So I'm trying to do mascara in my little phone here. Try to get all of your lashes. And you don't want to try to like overly coat them. You're not trying to get them thicker. All this is doing is just basically setting the curl on your lashes. I'm just barely doing this. Okay. Sorry, I'm making mascara face at you. Okay. Now I'm going to go back in with this clean spoolie. Just make sure that everything's nice and separated and pulled apart. Now, a lot of times you'll see people like do mascara on the top by going like this and pushing down. Please don't ever do that. It's going to mess up your lashes. But if you need to go on top, like to untangle lashes, what you're going to do is you're going to put it behind and you're basically swirling it. See how I'm doing that? I'm just swirling the brush. So I'm going to do that on my lashes. So I'm going to put it behind my lashes and just swirl upward. This helps ensure that the curl stays and doesn't fall. Then you can brush upward again. Kind of wiggle it in there to make sure there's no little tangled spots. Okay. And you can see how up and curly it is. Now, sometimes what can happen when your lashes are this curly and you've just applied mascara is you can get mascara on your lid. This is normal. All you need to do is take, and I don't have a Q-tip on hand here, but all you would do is just take a Q-tip, dry Q-tip, and just gently rub it away. It should take care of it immediately. If you got a huge splotch of it on there, go and like use the dry Q-tip. If it doesn't fully go away, you can use a little bit of concealer on the Q-tip, just a tiny bit, and rub it on there. And it almost works like a magic marker to remove it. And then you can just reapply your eyeshadow or whatever. But right now I don't have any makeup on at all. But well, I shouldn't say, I have some BB cream on and my brows are done. But you can see just the difference between those two eyes. And that's only using what I just showed you. I didn't do anything else. Can you see? I'm trying to bring the camera in here. How up and curly that is. Whereas how much more awake. See, I'm saying it's in the natural light so you can see better. This eye looks versus this eye. Remember, there's no eyeliner, no nothing. But this makes a huge difference in how you do your eyes. But if you have any questions, please let me know. I will also do another video later on showing what mascara I normally use. Once you use a base mascara like this to bring up your eyelashes, then you can go on and use whatever other mascara you use. Of course, I use the 3D Fiber Lash, that's what you see in most of my videos. Alright, so let me know what you think. I would love to hear all of your comments, any questions, and PM me with anything else you'd like me to make videos on. So hopefully this is helpful. Talk to y'all later. Bye.